I'm going to try to keep this one short and sweet. I bought a DCN 692 version 13 from eBay. They said it didn't work, but it looked pristine, like nobody had ever used it. When I got it, the motor would turn on, but it would just make this faint click. So when I opened it up, I noticed that the solenoid in the back was barely moving. So that was the faint click right there. So my initial thought was that the solenoid is bad, and that's why the gun is not working. Now, this is what a working one looks like. And you can clearly see and you can clearly hear it as well. But before changing it, I decided to take it apart, and what I found is that the slide that the solenoid is pulling was seized up. Now I loosened it up with a screwdriver, and what I found after getting it to move a little bit is something that looks like red Loctite. It almost looks like somebody tried to oil it against the manufacturer's instructions, and oil and dust caused it to basically seize up. I cleaned it up, and after that, 3-inch nails, no issue. So it looks like that was the whole problem. Just so you can see, these are 3-inch nails. I didn't have any longer ones, but no problem there. Again, no problem. And at this point, I think I am on my third box of 2-inch nails. I built about 500 linear feet of fencing with no issues. I know those are 2-inch nails, but still, the gun is performing as intended. No issue. So don't believe everything you see or hear on eBay. Have a good one.